Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like na 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 every day's like my iPod stuck on replay, replay. Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like na 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 every day's like my iPod stuck on replay, replay.
Hey friends, what's up? Welcome to today's Makeup Monday video. If you're new here on my channel, first off, welcome, what's up, stick around, join the fam bam, and that also means you're unfamiliar with Makeup Monday. So Makeup Monday is where we take a single eyeshadow palette and we have the Colored Rain Queen of Hearts palette for this series, which you guys did vote for, and we use every single shade in the palette, making it the main lid base shade until we've completed the entire palette. So today's shade was Royal Highness, and I love this color. I love this look. It's really glam, but also very like neutral tone, very wearable, because I know some of my looks aren't that wearable for all of you guys. I'm not leaving anybody out. Of course, I'm going to come through with some wearable looks from this gorgeous Colored Rain palette. But anyways, you guys, if you want to see how I got this very wearable look, minus the vampy lip, of course you can wear any kind of lip that you would like to wear. But anyways, if you guys want to see this look, then please continue watching. So let's just address the obvious before somebody calls me out in the comments. My brows are not on fleek today. I do not care. My hair is doing whatever it wants to do. I do not care. So, let's get into the tutorial. So today I'm going to be taking Royal Prerogative, and I'm going to go ahead and use my Real Techniques blending brush and just start blending that into the crease. This is a very easy, quick look today. I know that sometimes I do some really colorful, complicated looks or non-wearable looks, but this one is more wearable and a lot easier. Alright, and now we're going to go into Duchess, and we're going to take that into the crease as well. Just blending. Okay, so once I have that blended on, I'm just going to take a little bit of water and spritz my e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. And we're going to go into the shade of the day. It's called Royal Highness. So I'm filming this on a Thursday, and I know you guys won't see this until Monday, but I am getting ready for line dance. And I wanted to do something like simple and easy and just pretty for all of my other viewers who don't really like color. You guys like more natural makeup looks. So anyways, I just took that all over the lid here. It's a beautiful shade. It's actually one of my favorite shades of the palette. It actually has been used and loved a lot. And then we're gonna blend in that crease. So we're gonna use our Ardell Wispy Lashes, and I'm going to throw on some of this Maybelline Big Shot The Colossal Mascara really quickly. Alright, so as you guys can see, the eyes are very simple, very wearable, a neutral tone look. So I'm going to go off camera to do the rest of my face to save some time so I can head out to line dance. And I will be back to finish off the eyes and throw on a lip. Alright you guys, so I'm going to go in with this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Liner in Whiskey. And I'm just going to take that on my waterline and yeah. Alright, and we're going to take some of the ladyship, because why not have a little bit of fun with this look. And we're just going to smoke that on the outer portion here. And then we're going to go into our shade of the day, which is Royal Highness. And we're just going to pop that on the inner portion of our lower lash line and blend it into ladyship here. So for today's lip, I decided to go dark and vampy, and I'm going to use Gimme Glow Cosmetics in Bewitched. Alright, you guys, so this is the completed look. Can we just take a second to talk about how obsessed I am with this look? You guys know that I don't do natural looks too often. Granted, we have on a very extremely vampy lip, but the eye look is very wearable for anyone, and I hope that you guys will recreate this look. And if you do, don't forget to tag me on social media, because I would love to see it. I would love to leave you guys a comment. Also, I hope you guys are enjoying Makeup Monday being back. I am loving it. And I want to say welcome to all of my new subscribers as well. Anyways, if you guys liked this Makeup Monday tutorial, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Of course, subscribe and hit your bell notification so you don't miss out on my uploads. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and now on Saturdays for our Snapback series, which I hope you guys are enjoying. So yeah, that's it. And don't forget to put a smile on your face, because it is truly the best makeup you can wear. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, you guys.
Just got rich. Took a broke nigga bitch.
How do you do that shit? How do you do that shit?
I wasn't born last night. I know these hoes ain't right.
Just get my weight up. How do you